Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever get tired of seeing inactive players cluttering up your Monopoly Go friends list? Maybe you had a fight with someone over a particularly brutal trade. Whatever the reason, today we're going to show you how to quickly and easily remove friends in Monopoly Go. Open your Monopoly Go app on your smart device and make sure you are signed in to your account. By opening the Monopoly Go app on the home page at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can notice the Friends option. Click on it. Clicking on the Friends option will open a new page where you can notice several options. We need the Leaderboard option, scroll down to it, and click. Then, in the drop-down menu, select the person you want to unfriend by clicking on that person. See that red Remove button? Just tap on that and the game will check if you really want to remove this friend. Press Remove again to confirm, and poof, they disappeared from your friends list. And there it is, your Monopoly Go friends list is now nice and tidy. Remember, unfriending them won't block them, so they'll still be able to send you friend requests again in the future. But hey, at least you won't see their name around anymore. That's all the time we have for today. If you enjoyed this quick tip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monopoly Go content. Until next time, happy rolling. 118.